Hi, my name is Sion McCall, and I'm a guest girl, singer, and today I'm your bartender. Today we're gonna be making a grapefruit spritzer. To go with this lovely little daytime number, you need a lovely little daytime drink. So here we are, we're gonna make it real quick and easy. We're gonna take one whole grapefruit and juice it into our cocktail shaker. Mix it up, get yourself a wine glass prepared with some ice. Hit that grapefruit. And then we're gonna take our SOFIA effervescent white wine. Woo! Top it off. Make it really pretty, really girly. Impress people that you know. Put them in there. And here you have our delicious little grapefruit spritzer. So for our next drink, we have a lemon lavender Cosmo. It's a really easy one, but it will impress everybody, just like putting on a suit like this. Really, really easy, but you look like a boss. We're gonna start with some vodka. We have the Francis Ford Coppola Countess. I'm gonna pour 3 ounces of this into our martini shaker. Then we are going to take 2 ounces of white cranberry juice. You can use white grape juice, but this is really good. And then a single ounce of Cointreau. Take 1 whole lemon, squeeze that in there. We're gonna shake it up. This is an easy way to impress people too. Oh, yes, thank you for coming. Our pretty little glass. Make it even better. Lavender. And top it with a lemon twist. Cheers. So our final drink is a blueberry basil margarita. If you like to spice it up, have a little something fancy, this is for you. As you can tell, I'm really into this like blue thing today. So we're gonna make ourselves a nice little blue drink. We're gonna take a Blanco tequila. We're gonna use 2 ounces of that. Pour it into our martini shaker. We're gonna get 12 to 15 blueberries. Just, you know, a handful really. Some basil. And then we're going to muddle this guy. Just beat it up. You want this to like turn blue from those delicious blueberries. Okay? Next, we're going to get some agave nectar. 1 ounce, really easy. Whoop. Last but not least, every good margarita needs a lot of lime. So 1 whole lime. Now, let's shake it up. Into our pretty little blue glass. Ooh, look at that color. Yeah. And then just to make it really fancy, just stick some blueberries on a toothpick. Not that big of a deal, but it makes a difference. Some basil in there. Hello, weekend. Well, I hope that you enjoyed making these drinks with me, and I hope that it's 5 o'clock wherever you are because it's 5 o'clock here. So, cheers.